Important days in history remind us of the events, achievements, and sacrifices that shape the world we live in today. They help us learn from the past, celebrate human progress, and inspire future generations to create positive change. On 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect, making India a sovereign democratic republic. This historic day is celebrated every year as Republic Day, honoring the nation's unity, freedom, and constitutional values. On 8 March 1911, the first International Women's Day was celebrated to honor women's rights and achievements. The day recognizes the strength, equality, and contributions of women in shaping society and the world. On 22nd April 1970, the first Earth Day was observed to raise awareness about environmental protection and conservation. It inspired millions of people worldwide to work together for a cleaner, greener, and healthier planet. On 1st May 1886, workers began a historic movement demanding fair wages and an 8-hour workday. International Labour Day honors the hard work, unity, and rights of workers across the world. On 5th June 1972, the United Nations established World Environment Day to encourage global environmental awareness and action. The day inspires people to protect nature, reduce pollution, and work together for a sustainable future. On 20th July 1969, astronauts of the Apollo 11 mission made history as humans landed on the moon for the first time. This remarkable achievement marked a giant leap in space exploration and inspired generations around the world. 15th August 1947 marks the transformative moment when India gained its sovereignty. This historic date represents the triumph of unity and a non-violent struggle, paving the way for a nation built on democratic ideals. National Youth Day is celebrated every year on 12th January to honor the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. The day inspires young people to follow his ideals of confidence, discipline, patriotism, and service to society. International Day of Education is observed on 24th January to highlight the importance of education in building peace, equality, and sustainable development. The day encourages access to quality learning for every child and empowers people to create a brighter future. Martyrs' Day is observed on 30th January in India to honor the sacrifice of Mahatma Gandhi and all freedom fighters who gave their lives for the nation. World Cancer Day is observed on 4th February to raise awareness about cancer prevention, early detection, and treatment worldwide. Started in 2000, the day encourages people to support patients, promote healthy lifestyles, and unite in the fight against cancer. Valentine's Day is celebrated on 14th February as a day of love, affection, and friendship across the world. The tradition is linked to Saint Valentine and has roots in ancient Christian history, symbolizing kindness, care, and heartfelt relationships. International Mother Language Day is observed on 21st February to promote linguistic and cultural diversity around the world. Declared by UNESCO in 1999, the day highlights the importance of preserving mother languages and respecting multilingual education. International Mother Language Day is celebrated on 21st February to honor linguistic diversity and the importance of native languages. Established by UNESCO in 1999, the day encourages the preservation and promotion of mother languages worldwide. 28th February, National Science Day. India, 1986 done. Remembering Sir C. V. Raman, Nobel laureate in physics. Science is a way of thinking much more than it is a body of knowledge. Forests are the lungs of our planet, providing oxygen, shelter, and resources for all living beings. International Day of Forests, observed on 21st March, raises awareness about the importance of conserving and protecting forests worldwide. World Water Day, observed on 22nd March, highlights the importance of fresh water and the need for sustainable water management. Celebrated since 1993, it encourages people around the world to conserve water and protect this precious resource for future generations. World Tuberculosis Day is observed on 24th March to raise awareness about the global fight against tuberculosis, TB. Established in 1982, the day highlights the importance of early diagnosis, proper treatment, and collective efforts to eliminate TB worldwide. World Autism Awareness Day is observed on 2nd April to promote understanding, acceptance, and inclusion of people with autism. Established by the United Nations in 2007, the day encourages support for equal opportunities and respect for neurodiversity worldwide. World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April to spread awareness about global health issues and the importance of well-being. Observed since 1950 under the leadership of the World Health Organization, the day encourages people to adopt healthy lifestyles and ensure health care for all. World Book and Copyright Day is celebrated on 23rd April to promote reading, publishing, and the protection of intellectual property through copyright. The day encourages people around the world to discover the joy of books and respect the creativity of authors and creators. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Sharvana's Knowledge Hub for more educational and inspiring content. Follow the channel for part 2.